Welcome to the new age. This your guy Datwan. This is
LJ's view, like father, like
son. And let's get straight into it. Today has been one of the craziest days in the stock market since I've been in the market. Another roller coaster day, and to say the least. And it was just what, 1 o'clock to, well, we just finished at 1 o'clock. It started at 9:30. So think about that. It wasn't even a full day, but the roller coaster was long enough.
I had such a great day yesterday. Stuffed myself with turkey. Now I feel like I've been stuffed as a turkey.
Exactly. So let's get straight into it. We got a new COVID variant that kind of shook up the market from pre-market. When the market opened at 9:30, it kind of bounced back and then kind of went whack, and then we kind of stabilized after that. The new variant has shook up the market, and now we're here to talk about how you can make plays even though the market is shook.
So it's a few opportunities that's in the market. We're going to talk about what I'm bearish on, because I'm bearish as my outlook on the market for the coming weeks. He's bullish, but I'll go first. The biggest opportunity that I'm looking at will be ticker symbol UVXY. This play is a play that's designed as towards the volatility that takes place in the market. What happened in March of 2020, when the outbreak happened as COVID began, stocks like this, the VIX and this UVXY, went to all-time highs, reaching all the way to $500. Today, it's as low as $20. That's a great distance or great gap in between. But even at $20, you wouldn't believe it, it's up 37% on today.
That's a type of investment that moves purely over fear. And if you can capitalize on the fear that the market is experiencing now and can continue to experience throughout the next couple of weeks, you may make a nice profit.
I'm looking to play this play as a option. Me myself, this is not financial advice. I'm gonna make an option play on it, that way I can leverage the shares. And hopefully, I'm expected, a lot of big players have been shorting the market. I forgot to say that over the last few days, and they've been, making out fairly well. But with this, I think that the momentum from this variant will only get worse.
Yeah, and that's what I want to hit. It's important to be patient, but protect your money. And I believe that, the stock market can be like a boxing event against a huge puncher. Sometimes you just gotta protect yourself and just wait for the right opening. And I think that's what the space we're heading into, if not already there. Protect your money, but be patient, because you can find an opportunity to strike and capitalize big.
That's right.
So the play, that's a bearish take on it. I'm gonna go to a bullish take on it. I believe this stock can greatly benefit if you play it at the right time, and that is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir is a data mining company. Data doesn't really heavily rely on anything in the physical world, so it's not going to be hit physically. Also, Palantir heavily relies on government contracts. It's not heavily reliant on consumer-based, buying power.
That's right.
So I believe that this company will, take a little bit of dip. We've seen a little bit of a dip today throughout the long haul, especially if this variant vamps up. I think this is a safe bet to invest your money in long-term or even trade.
One of the things that you brought to my attention was the partnership that they had with the NIH.
Right.
Talk a little bit about that.
No, so I'll just go over 3 headlines right now. It says the NIH continues collaboration with Palantir to support COVID-19 research. So this was during October 4th. Okay, here's another headline from the Wall Street Journal. Palantir to help U.S. track COVID vaccines, right? And this one is from Palantir itself. It says, but it's from the Business Wire. It says Palantir and U.S. government to continue to work on COVID-19 vaccine distribution. Palantir will work with HHS's Office of the Chief Information Officer and provide software platform to help manage the U.S. COVID-19 vaccine distribution strategy. So, as you can see, a lot of governments rely on their data capabilities to move forward and produce, and distribute efficiently. rapidly. And I believe Palantir is one of the best companies you can get in. I think it's a huge growth stock in the upcoming months and years. I think Palantir is a strong bet right now.
Yeah, and I think with their partnership with the NIH specifically, who oversees this COVID action, we know that new strand has not even hit the United States yet.
Right.
But it does not affect, that does not limit Palantir's capability, because Palantir has partnership, like Datwan said, with governments outside of the United States for their data capabilities.
Right. You know, restaurants, if we see lockdowns, restaurants, you know, get hit. In person, you know, businesses will get hit. But one thing that won't go away is data. And Palantir is a champion in its data capabilities.
So the demand for it will be much greater, or we suspect it to be much greater, as this variant begins to heighten over the more and more news comes out, and heightens over the next few weeks to months.
And you can see the type of governments that rely on their business. It's not just, you know, random government contracts. These are big government contracts. On that note, if you like this video, give us a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for the support we have received recently, and we appreciate you very much. We're in, we're out, we're out, we're in. Thank you. Welcome to the new age.